Hey, it's Joe. I'm going to talk to you about the form in this video. First, on this stupid, simple strength session, we're doing kettlebell swings, heavy with the 48 here. Notice I'm waiting for that timing. My hips are accelerating the weight out and upward, not away from my body. They're out and upward. Remember, bringing the kettlebell up, so it's the shoulders up. You're going to set it down in reverse how you picked it up, okay? The next one, strict double presses. This is what I call structural integrity. Anything under the weight, you're stabilizing. So pause at the top. Don't bring them up and right back down. So that builds structural integrity. Okay? Your muscles supporting your tissue, your bones. So now I'm going to go in depth and talk about simple strength. Hey friends, how you doing? This is Joe, and I'm going to talk to you about this recent kettlebell workout that I did. I'm going to call it stupid simple strength session. So a lot of people think that kettlebell training, or any training for that matter, has to be complicated to make gains and things. It should actually look easy on paper, yet challenging for you to get it done. So I put together these super incredibly basic stuff. So you have strict presses and you have kettlebell swings, okay? Now I'm using heavier weights for this, but I did it in an EMOM fashion, so every minute on the minute. You probably notice a lot of my workouts are like that, and they have been that way since 2012. Really enjoy that time. It gives me, instead of saying 30 on 30 off, where I don't have as many variables or waves as far as recovery, I really like that. So this is A and B. You're going to alternate back and forth between the heavy swings, 10 to 12 reps, and then the next minute you're going to do 3 reps of heavy strict presses. On this workout I used 32s. I was definitely feeling it. That's the thing, I was so incredibly blown away by how easy this was and how smoked I felt afterwards. I did 24 minutes, like the people I trained with at the gym did 24 minutes, and it was definitely enough. So 10 to 12 swings, you end up with 12 sets of this stuff. You know, that's 120 swings. It gives you plenty of chances to recuperate in between. And by having kind of opposing training, like hip extension followed by what I call structural integrity exercises, where you're bracing and pressing overhead or stabilizing overhead, or even cleans that have holds, it's very complementary. So anyway, I think if you try this workout, like I said, the stupid simple strength sessions is where we're going, and this is something that you want to just keep doing. This should be the base, the outline of your type of training. These exercises, you don't have to do a single, like when I see people just doing clean and presses, that's it. And things like that, I think those programs are too minimal. Yes, you're going to see increases, absolutely, because it's the only thing you're doing. So if you're not seeing increases when you're doing a single exercise program, something's wrong. Either that or you're training too much or not eating enough for strength. So this should be enough to be minimal for you without overwhelming you, but it also should give you enough room to keep boredom away. All right, that's an incredibly important thing. And then rotate between these different types of sessions. So yes, it took 24 minutes of actual training, and there's other stuff that'll go into that, but sometimes people are training for far too long. So just think about that. These stupid, simple strength. Have a good day.